Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled MLOps Fundamentals. From local code to production-ready AI. Imagine you've coded an amazing AI that can predict house prices or identify cats in photos. It works perfectly on your computer. But how do you get millions of people to use it reliably? 24/7? This is where MLOps comes in. MLOps, machine learning operations, is like the specialized engineering team that makes sure your brilliant AI idea doesn't just work as a cool demo, but becomes a robust, reliable, and continuously improving product in the real world. Think of it as the DevOps for machine learning, bridging the gap between developing models and deploying them. Traditionally, building AI looked like this. A data scientist trains a model, saves it, and hands it over for deployment. Problems? Which version of data was used? Which version of code? What if the model needs updating? It works on my machine. Becomes a nightmare for the deployment team. It's like cooking a gourmet meal. Your AI model, in your kitchen, but then trying to open a successful restaurant without a proper kitchen. Supply chain. Are consistent recipes. It's chaotic, error-prone, and impossible to scale. As developers, we know Git for code. MLOps extends this idea to asterisk everything. Imagine your AI model is a specific dish. The code is the recipe. The data are the ingredients. The trained model is the actual dish you've cooked. MLOps says, we need to track which recipe, which batch of ingredients, produced which specific dish. This means versioning your training data versioning, your model code, and even the trained models themselves. Model versioning. Why? So you can always reproduce results, understand changes, and roll back if a new model performs worse. In software development, we use CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment, to automate testing and deployment. MLOps applies this to AI. Instead of manually training your model every time, or deploying it by hand, we set up automated pipelines. When you change your model code or update your data, the system automatically kicks off a new training run, tests the new model, and if it passes, deploys it. It's like having an automated factory assembly line for your AI, ensuring consistency, speed, and reducing human error from local code to a production-ready model. Once your AI is in production, the job isn't done. Unlike traditional software that usually works the same way until updated, AI models can degrade over time. This is called model drift. The real-world data changes, making your model's predictions less accurate. MLOps involves continuously monitoring your AI. Is it still making good predictions? Is the incoming data still what it expects? Is it fast enough? Think of it like your car's dashboard. You need to know its speed, fuel level, and if the engine light comes on. For AI, we monitor performance, data quality, and model health to keep it optimal. An AI project involves many moving parts: collecting data, cleaning it, training models, testing, deploying, monitoring, and updating. It also involves different roles: data scientists, ML engineers, software developers. MLOps orchestrates all these pieces and people, ensuring they work together smoothly. It's like a conductor leading an orchestra, ensuring each section plays its part at the right time, creating a harmonious and powerful result. This makes sure that your brilliant local AI code can seamlessly move through all these stages to become a production service. So, what does the MLOps journey look like? You develop your AI model locally, your local code. Then, you version your code, data, and models. You set up automated pipelines to train, test, and deploy your model reliably. Once deployed, you continuously monitor its performance in the real world. If performance drops or new data comes in, the cycle repeats. MLOps turns your local, experimental AI into a robust, scalable, and continuously improving service that users can rely on. It's the framework that makes your AI truly valuable in the real world. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.